Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to create a Hulu account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening any web browser. Soon after you do that, in the search box type in www.hulu.com and press the enter on your keyboard. From the official website, you can click on Start Your Free Trial in order to sign up or create an account. Hulu is an American subscription video on-demand service fully controlled and majority owned by the Walt Disney Company. Now, start by choosing your plan. From the options, choose one of the appropriate plans for you, and on the next page, enter your information in order to create your account. First, start by entering an email address. On the next field, type in a password you want to use for your Hulu account. Now, on the next page, type in your name. Choose your birthday information from the drop-down, and soon after you do that, select your gender from the drop-down. Now, after filling all the information, click on the Continue button, and on the next page, you'll need to add your billing information. You can choose to change the plan by clicking on Change Plan and choose from the beginning about what plans you want to include on your subscription. Once you do that, choose your payment method from the options. Click on Credit Card or PayPal in order to make your payment. If you choose the credit card option, type in your credit card number in the text field. On the next field, type in your expiration date, your CVC, and your zip code. After you do that, click on the Submit button and you'll be able to create a Hulu account for yourself. If you choose PayPal option, click on Continue with PayPal and you'll need to sign into your PayPal account by entering your credentials. Now, go ahead and enter your payment information on this page. That is how you can create and sign up for a new Hulu account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.